Hey guys, it's Dimo from DimusTech, and today another unexpected video. We're unboxing the Canon EOS M50. So this camera isn't actually for me, and as you maybe or maybe not can tell, I am abroad. I'm not at home. I bought it for my friend who actually needs it, and basically we're just going to unbox it. I already did see most of the things here, but not everything. So we have the charging cable, the charger itself, we'll dig in a moment, and let's put aside the camera for now, and the kit lens. Now the kit lens is 15mm to 45. We have a strap obviously, and we did have a battery, but it's already in the camera because I already actually opened it. And obviously it has a 64 gigs of memory card inside already. So sadly I could only get the white version and not the black, but it was okay with my friend because he didn't really have a choice with that price and he settled down for that. So let's try to take it out. It's not an easy task with one hand. Now this camera is pretty much, I would say, small, with almost everything that I have on my Canon 70D. But this one also can shoot in 4K. Let's go ahead and unbox the lens. Now I didn't actually open the lens yet, so this will be the first time. The lens, I understood, is sort of metallic color. Yep, here it is. As you can see, it's metallic with black. As you can tell, it's a very limited resources video, but okay. Wow, the lens doesn't weigh almost anything. Seriously. Not really sure if it's plastic or not, but it weighs almost nothing. So, let me try to somehow get more comfortable so we can put on the lens. Okay, we'll have to open that first. Now that's a mirrorless camera, and the lens cap almost fell. That was pretty... Okay, so let's try to set it on. Okay, we heard a click. That's good. That's the camera lens. Let's close that for a moment. So what do we have here? Let's check out the modes. So we have the usual manual mode, AV, DVB, automatic movie I think, scene which I'm not really sure what it is, and some color grading or whatever, and obviously the video mode itself. This camera has a shoe mount, which is actually closed by default, which is very good. I really love that. Camera actually feels pretty plasticky. It's not that heavy. According to what I see, it seems to have a flash, and I think I saw a button for flash. Let's check the other buttons. So we have here a Wi-Fi connection, and let's see what ports we have here. So we have an HDMI and a USB, pretty much standard. Let's see what we have on the other side for a moment. Oh, we have actually a microphone. That's good. That's really, really good that we have a microphone. Well, I'll install the strap later. On the back, as you can see, we do have a flash. We have pretty regular button shapey. Oh wow, that button doesn't feel that good, honestly. Well, at least I don't really like it. We have here the zoom buttons or some function buttons. They're not too clicky. I mean, you can feel them click, but it's not that clicky. I don't know. Maybe I'm regular for the 70D and much bigger and stronger cameras. So here you have your battery. Let's check which battery exactly is it. So it's the LPE12. Okay. And here you have your SD card as well. And the 3/4 screw mount, as usual. Now let's try to open the screen. Again, with one hand, it's not an easy task. But yeah, we did. I believe it's a touch screen. Let's try to open the camera, turn it on. Okay, it asks us for the time. Let's try to press on something. Yeah, it's a touch screen. Okay, I believe it's pretty much simple and usual. So that's just pretty much quick unboxing. I'm not really sure if we can... Oh, okay, so there's a sensor. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty much a quick unboxing video. Let me try to actually use the camera and we'll see where it goes. Anyway, this belongs to my friend and not to me. I just bought it for him, so I won't be messing around with it too much. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.